Hi friends, welcome to the Python series, Python programming series, and my name is Nilu, and we are uh, today we are gonna learn Python operators. We already have learned commands, variable, data types, numbers, casting, and string, and about the boolean. Okay, so here in this lecture we are gonna learn about everything about the operators. Why we use operators? So operator are used to perform the operations on variables and the values. For example, if I'll do print of something like 20 plus 10 40. So this plus is operator here. It is a plus operator is here used for adding the two values together, right? So this is just a simple way to define the operator. So Python have a different type of operators, a different it have a different group of operators. So first we have arithmetic operators, and let me write categories of operators. Arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator, and operators. And second category we have assignment operator, assignment operator, and third we have comparison operator, comparison, and comparison, and logical operator, logical, and we have identity operator, identity operator, and we have a membership operator, and then we have this bitwise operator. So these are the categories of operator in Python, and these categories is like used for different purpose. For example, this arithmetic operator is used with numeric value to perform the common mathematical expressions, right? And if we talk about so this operator consists a plus, minus, and uh, multiplication. So it contains multiplication, divide, uh, modulus, percentage, modulus, and so many other operator, par. So this is bar. So these are some arithmetic operators, and assignment operator is used for used to assign the values to a variable. For example, if you want to assign a value to x in x variable, so that is called equal operator you use, and equal operator, and plus equal to, yes, there is plus equal to operator, and then we have a minus equal to operator. In this category we have multiplication and equal to in this category, and then we have a divide equal to, uh, divide equal to, and so whatever we are assigning might be with some operation, and whatever we are assigning to variable modulus. For example, this is modulus, or sometimes it is also used for modulus is used for dividing and find the quotient values and remainder values, right? And so modulus equal to, so whatever with arithmetic operator or without arithmetic operator you are uh, you are using this equal sign, so this will show that it is an assignment operator. Then come to comparison operator. So comparison operator is used for comparing, used to compare the two values. If you want to compare any two values, for example, 20 is equals to 40, so that is comparing two things, so it will give true. In previous example we have seen about it. So this category contain equal to contain category contain not equal to. This also have a greater than, uh, less than, and also have greater than equal to, less than equal to. So these are comparison operators. uh, for example, let's say an example, if you want to print compare 10 is equals to 20, so this is not a true sign, so it will give the false. So this belongs to comparison operator. And then we have some logical operators. So logical operator is like and, or. So example, this is and, or. So if you are from the computer science background, I bet you already know about this all these operators, not and, or. You have already learned this in physics also, and now you have also learned in the digital analysis. So this logical operator is performing the AND operation or operation not operations between two things. So this AND will returns true if both a statement is true, and or return true if one of the statement is true, and not is reverse the result. It means it return false if the result is true, and if result is false, then it will return true. So now this is just called reverse operator. And the next category is identity operator. This identity operator is used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. For example, this category contains is written true if both variable are the same object. For example, let's say uh, let's say we have an example of what um let's say for example, okay, so we'll try here. So if x is we have x, and x is containing some values, uh, that is um, let's say it contain to a string Milo and Varma, right? And second string contain uh, second array contain um, what it contains red and green, let's say red and green, right? So if it contains this, and you want to use this is operator, so print x is z. So print x is so let's say, let's try printing x is y. So it should definitely give false. Yes, so it is giving false because x is not equal to by, x is not by. But if I assign this y into a different variable called let's say I called it z, and if I have I am assigning this x into a z values, and then I will say, if I will ask print z x is z or z is x, so it will give true because z is the same as the x. So I hope that this is quite clear for you. All right, so this category, this identity category is also contain not is, so sorry, is not, called is not. So this will return true if both variable are not the same object, right? And there is membership operator also. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object or not. For example, this like previous class we have seen the example of in and not in, right? So here in and not in is the member used for membership, and it return true, this in return true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object, and this not in return true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. So remember these both things. If the present in the object, then we use if the sequence is with specified value is present in the object, or if the sequence with the specified value is not present in the screen, is present in the object. For example, let's check one example of it. So mm, one example of member is, for example, I have this uh, x, control plus c, and yes, so I have this this x variable, and this x variable, if I want to print to let's say I want to check Varma, because that is my name, surname. So Varma uh, in x. So if Varma is available in this x variable, then it will x array, then it will be print true. So yes, Burma is available. If I said red is available in x, so it will say no, false. Yeah, so if I will say print Burma is available, then it will say yes, Burma is available. So Burma in x, see, it is giving true, right? So this is just a simple thing, and next we have an uh, bitwise operator we have. So why we use this bitwise operator? Bitwise operator are used to compare the binary numbers. uh, when you want to compare the two binary numbers or more than two binary numbers, we use this bitwise operator. So it is ampersand. Ampersand is used as a and we have a this or sign, and this category contain uh, XOR. The symbol is used for XOR, and this tilde sign is used for zero fill left shift. Oh sorry, tilde sign is used for not, and this one is used for, yes, this one is used for zero fill left shift. This means shift left by pushing the zeros in from the right, and let the leftmost bit fall off. So it is just simple things, and this is also the same signed right shift. When you whenever you have learned about the this computer architecture. So in memory you have used this left shift and right shift to shifting your shifting your bit. So there you have used this left shift and right shift things. So this is all about the operators, and I will suggest to practice with one example. So this operator, and next video we will learn about the Python list. So thank you, and bye bye. Take care.